Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at downloading Virtualbox, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Welcome. So we're quickly going to go to Google and just type in Virtualbox download. Once we hit enter, these are highlighted because I have once visited them. I'm going to click on the very first one that comes up, and this is the official Virtualbox homepage. Also remember to always download stuff or programs from the original websites. This way you're not downloading other people's copy which might be tampered with. So we're going to go straight. Once we come down here, we've got Windows hosts, we've got OS X host, Linux distribution, Solaris 11. What we want, because I'm working on a Windows machine, so we're going to click on Windows hosts. That's going to download. It's going to download the file for us, the executable file. So we're going to run the download once it finishes. So we're going to go up here and open file, click on open file. Once you click on open file, it's going to ask you whether you want this program to make changes to your device. We're going to click yes. And we've got a setup box. We're going to click next. We're going to click next. Most of these things have got, or most of these programs have got default sets. So we're just going to leave them as it is and just click on next. So it's just giving a little warning that it might cut out your network for a bit and then bring it back on. We're going to proceed with the installation, and then we're going to go on to install. So there we have it. Oracle Virtualbox 6.1.34 installation is complete. Mind you, at the time of this video, the latest version was 6.1.34. So we're going to click on finish, and we're going to open it. So we have Virtualbox installed. That message that came up, I was just installing the extension pack. Now what the extension pack does is so things like increasing the size, the font size of your Virtualbox. That is what happens. I'm going to click OK here. Do you want to delete the download? Yes. So yes, that is how we download Virtualbox. I have a couple of VMs installed in here already. In due course, we're going to look at them. I've got a Kalilinux. I've got two Kalilinux actually. I did a bit of Active Directory lab in here, where I've got the domain controller and 3 clients, which are all connected to the domain controller. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to keep the YouTube robots happy. Hi everyone.